The learning target for this tutorial is what are complementary and supplementary angles. If you've been struggling with complementary and supplementary angles, this is a great tutorial to watch to just do a basic review. So in this first example, we see a yellow angle, and what we know about this yellow angle from class the past couple of weeks is that it's an acute angle. When we have an acute angle, it can either have a complement and it can have a supplement. If we want to know about its complement, all we have to do is take and draw a dotted line straight up from its endpoint, forming a 90-degree angle. Its complement is going to be the angle where the question mark is, the angle that when we add it to 25, we get 90. So 90 subtracted by 25 gives us a value of 65, and since we're talking about the angle measure, we'd use the degree symbol. So 65 degrees is the complement of a 25-degree angle. Now if we wanted to take that same acute angle as before, and let's say we wanted to find its supplement instead of its complement, what we then would be finding would be the amount of degrees that we could add on to the 25 to get 180 degrees. Okay, because the supplement is the angle measure that when added to another angle gives us a sum of 180. So if we find the difference of 180 and 25, we get 155 degrees. So the supplement to a 25-degree angle is 155 degrees. In this third example, we've got a rectangle broken down into several triangles. And what might happen is we might find out what angle 5 is equal to, for example. So let's say they tell us angle 5 is equal to 50 degrees. Okay. And then let's say they say that angle 7 is equal to 40 degrees. You could say that angle 5 and angle 7 are complementary. They're complementary because they add up to 90 degrees. Now from here you can also notice that you have a pair of supplementary angles. So if you look at angle 2 and angle 4, angle 2 and angle 4 form a straight line, or their sum is 180 degrees, so they would be considered supplementary. So if we're told that angle 2 is 107 degrees, we could find angle 4's measure by taking 180 and subtracting it by 107 and getting a value of 73 degrees, which seems very logical given this diagram. So we would say angle 2 and angle 4 are supplementary. You can also see a pair of supplementary angles in angle 3 and angle 1, angle 2 and angle 3, and angle 1 and angle 4. So there's several possibilities as long as the sum of the two angles total 180.